welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, you guys. Groceries. Yep, we had to do it. We're doing it. We're doing it. A million. We're doing it. Okay, I went to do my grocery shopping, but I also went to Dollar General this morning. And let me just say, for the first time ever, I think I got it right. I did have to shuffle around some deals. Hold on, y'all. I gotta stir my lunch. It's 11:50, and I'm just getting ready to eat my first meal of the day. Okay. Okay, I'm just having cauliflower rice with a little bit of turkey meat and some cabbage, spinach, and mushrooms, and I'm gonna have a pack of tuna. All right, so I did my grocery shopping. I meant my Dollar General shopping first thing this morning, because I like to go ahead and get my deals. And I did the spend 30, get 10 on your next transaction. And then I did a second transaction and I only spent a little bit of money. Y'all not gonna believe this. Okay, I did the thing. So let me show you my, turn around, show you my Dollar General hauls, 2 transactions, and then I'll show you my groceries. All right, so here's how I got the first deal. So the deal was spend 30, get 10 off your next transaction. Now, I went over a little bit. These 2 items I did not need to get. I was trying to do a different deal, but then it called for some products that I had already used those coupons. So I actually just left these 2 things in. So I got these 3 body wash, Old Spice. You know, Jackson, he's a boy. He has to shower and he's going to college. These were $6 each. So $18, and there was a coupon 6 off of 3. So they ended up being $12 or $4 each. Then I got these Gillette sensor razors. They were $6.50, $6. There was a $3 off. These Venus Tropicals were $7.50. There was a $3 off. This Febreze Twilight Lavender was $3.50. There was a $1.50 off, and this bathroom was $3.50, and there was a $2 off. So all in total, and then I used my 5 off 25. So I made the $30 threshold, got the $10 off of the next transaction. But with all my coupons, I had a coupon for this, and both of these. I paid $22 for this, but I got a $10 off of the purchase of $10.01 coupon. So it was really like $12. Then I got this transaction. So they had a special, spend $25 on Brawny, Angel Soft Sparkle, Dixie, get 5 off. So I got 2 of these at like $6.37 and some change, something like that. I don't know. I don't remember. These were 2 for $5. These are maybe like $6.35 or $7.35, and that was like $6.35. So that was like 14, 20 something, right? Then there was a coupon for this, a coupon for that, and then I got the $5 off. So I think it was $2, $3, $40, another $5, so $8.40 plus the $10 off, like $18. I paid $7.86 for the paper towels, toilet paper, and the 2 of these. Now my kids will be here for graduation, so always gonna need these things. And I was gonna get some bigger plates, but I got some last week off of a different deal, so I just got small bowls and small little convenience plates. So all in all, I spent $30 on this, and I took that out of my couponing, out of my preps money, the $50 that I use every first of the month, and so I still have $20 left for couponing next week. Then I went to the grocery store, and of course I had the 2 $5 off of 25, but I gave those to sister because she had received some some Food Line coupons in the mail, and I used those. I still could have used the extra, but I figured I'd let her use them because she is tight on her budget, so no problem. Kids are coming. We're going to do some grilling. So these Food Line pork chops, they were on a markdown special, $5.78 and $6.22. I had a coupon for the chicken breast portions with rib meat. It was $4 off of 2 of these. They were $9.99 each, so $20. I got $4 off, 16. Picked up some coffee, no coupon on that. And then I also picked up 5 of these Thai chili tunas, because that has a good amount of protein, and I can just throw one of those in my, just eat that. I was going to say my lunchbox, but we are done with school. Granulated sugar, this was $3.89 or something like that, and there was $1 off of this. We use these in our drinks, and there was a buy one get one free. They were $4.99 each. They had these large size Cheerios. These are for the kids, $5.89, buy one get one free. There was $1 off of 2 Food Line vegetables. I got green beans, and then I also picked up cauli rice. There was $1 off the Skinny Girl, and then there was 50 cents off of this Polar Frost. I picked up some zero sugar tomato sauce, and then a big thing of chili powder and granulated onion powder. And these were really inexpensive at Food Line. $6.99 for this big one. This one's $8.99. I almost picked up Italian seasoning, but we don't use that a ton, so I did not pick that up. But that was my groceries. I spent right at 70 some dollars. So a little bit over, but I just took it out of my gas money, and I'm going to put gas in my car. I have gas now. I'm not driving terribly far, so I'll just fill up the rest of my tank with whatever's left from there, and then I'll just put gas. Jackson's going to give me gas money at some point. So there is my grocery haul. That was from last week, so I'm not counting that. And then Dollar General. Okay, this is my lunch. Again, it may not look appetizing, but it's going to be very good. It's just cauli rice with cabbage, spinach, mushrooms, and a little bit of turkey meat. And I'm going to add a tuna packet to this, and that's going to be my lunch. Alrighty, you guys. So there it is. It's a very short and sweet this week, to the point grocery haul. We will be doing some cooking of some of the things. We'll bring you guys along for that. But I'm not going to let this video just keep going and going, because it'll be days. I've got other projects I need to do before I can jump back into cook, and I need to finish. So there it is, all of the things. We do want to thank you so much for stopping by. Get your Dollar General on. It's taking me a minute to get myself together, and I do have to follow other people's deals right now. That's fine. But I ran up on a snag with that one, so I then just kind of went back. I was like, oh, but I remember some so-and-so did this. A lot of the deals were like Dawn, and I'd used my Dawns last week, so those coupons were gone, which is fine, because I still was able to mix and match and get a few things. And nobody uses the Gillette razors, but Jackson may decide he wants it. He has an electric shaver that does his little stuff, but he may want those. I don't know. So anywho, I'm going to keep getting deals. He still has to go off to school, so I'm buying things that he can use to take with him when he goes off to school. Anywho, y'all, it's 12 o'clock. I'm not eating a meal yet, and I do need to do that, and then I need to go rest for a few minutes. I'm not feeling good. But anywho, thank y'all again so much for stopping by. Like the video, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.